How to add a background photo to Instagram stories. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add a background photo to Instagram stories. So first thing, just head over to Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. So just let me just select or share any one of my posts over here. So let's say I want to share this post over here. So if I were to share this post on my Instagram story, as you can see, it currently has a default background. So let's say I want this particular photo to be in my background. So I'll just take a screenshot of this particular photo and I'll just readjust it or crop it accordingly. So from over here, I will just crop out only the necessary part which I will want in my background as a background. You can do with any other photos or images. For now I'm just doing with this image. I'll just go with this image. So next thing what you can do is just head back to your story section and just click on this sticker icon at the top, and you can see there is an option called photos. So just tap on that and just select the particular photo which you just cropped, and now all you gotta do is just readjust or resize your official post which you shared on your Instagram, and just keep it all the way down. Just make sure you don't delete your post by accidentally. So you can just keep it around over here, and you can just readjust your background image just like this, and just tap on your particular post, and you can easily bring that post over here, and you can just readjust your post over here just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.